What's up, Oculus gang? Good morning. I wanted to make a video this morning talking about how I'm finding these stock picks and how I'm calling these breakouts, catching these momentum plays that are just breaking out almost instantly. And you guys been wondering, so I'm gonna make a video here. So first, let's just go over QQQ. See how that's looking pre-market. It's a little bit down. The market's held up like overnight, like a lot, but it's pretty neutral. We haven't went to my expectations yet of the week. I wanted to see around 517 before we get weakness in the market. We went from 510 morning yesterday all the way to 516. A big jump yesterday in the market. I was predicting this all from last week, and it turned out to be exactly what I expected. But yeah, I want to see more run up, and the only thing I would turn bearish like below 513 maybe. Yeah, around 513. Then the week's just gonna be messed up. We're gonna have a good market if we keep just running up. And let's look at SPY. Yeah, SPY is up pretty nicely pre-market. There might be a shift today into the SPY out of tech. Or they might run up together, and just SPY is going to be more the powerful one today, because QQQ left SPY behind yesterday. SPY only jumped like $1 or something, while QQQ jumped like 5. SPY level, I'm looking at, my expectations are around 605, 606 before weakness in the market. If we break 517 on QQQ, we can run towards 522, 525 within the next week or two. SPY 608 above 605, 611 in the next week or two. So let's get to how I am filtering out how to find the exact stocks with momentum and stuff. So on TradingView, you have this cool tool here. You see if you on the computer, if you just click open this panel down here. I'm not sure you can see it on my screen, but you can maneuver around and find it. You'll get this scanner here, and my filters are, I like to so you see where's the alright, so you want to change this to extended hours, this column, and then you want to filter out market cap. Mine is 50 billion and above, and then you'll get a nice list. So we have AMD. It's up 1.30% this morning. MU, it's up 1.22% this morning. PDD, you got Citigroup, BlackRock, Avgo, Shop. Just a bunch of good picks here. And yeah, I like to look at this pre-market and get a good idea, get like 5 or 10 names that I like to look at. And you're not going to get every single one that's just going to keep going. They're going to dump off from the open, and few of those, majority of them, will jump up and keep going to what you expected. And when the market opens, this list is going to change completely, because there's going to be stocks that weren't pumping pre-market that got a huge change, and then they come onto the list. And that's what I like to look for as well. I like to I like to see the straight breakout, and if it's a good chart and it's up a decent percentage and it has momentum, you can catch the momentum, and that is a quick return of 50 to 100%, and then it's easy to make 30% with this, and that's all you need. You can do that daily, just one and done. And you guys see I've been going crazy. I've been calling a lot because there's just been opportunity. You don't really get that much opportunity to have a straight shot market in the QQQ. There was a huge shift in clouds yesterday. We had LRCX and Avgo and AMAT, AMD, CLAC, just a bunch of cloud names just completely jumped yesterday, and the tech went wild. And yeah, so that's the strategy. Let's look at some names pre-market. We got XOM, Exxon. It's up pre-market nicely. We got calls at around 117.50 yesterday, and it's at 118.50 now. Let's look at Avgo. Avgo's up nicely. It's up $1.30 pre-market. If you look, we have all these levels up here into 170s, 180, and the stock's at 167. It can jump huge. It was a great play. TSM's up pre-market $1.10. Wild. You can get the 202, 200 again. Stock's at 195. We called it last week at 180, around 183. Wrote it up last week, and then to start this week we called it at 180, 189, 190, and it just ripped all the way up to 194 yesterday. Wild play. So yeah, guys, use this strategy, follow along with me, and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. And let's bank. Let's go, guys.